So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import photos from Google Photos to iMovie. Now there's a few ways you can do that and I will explain them right now. So in order to import photos from Google Photos, first you will need to go to your Google account and locate under your Google account your Google Photos. The next step will be to actually download those photos. You can see it on here. Let's stay in browser. Once you sign in, you will get your Google Gallery, your Google Photos. You will need to download them into this particular device. So you can see here it says files. Once you download a certain photo, you may even have them in your gallery, but just make sure that it's the right document and right file. Save them in files. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and open up your iMovie app, and you can see it here with a white star, and you can see a couple of things on here. You can see in the top right corner there are three dots and it will say import project. You can also go to start a new project and go to a movie, and it will open your media page on here, so you can import your media. So any photo that you've downloaded, that you have as a file, you can import through here. The important thing about Google Photos, you can do that even through the Mac. You just need to download your photos and you can drag that photo to your iMovie app and just release it there, and it will open as an iMovie project. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.